Today's topic is to get all of the substrings of a particular given string. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, and the method 2, that is by using an iter tools. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So over here, first we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to use the string slicing and the list comprehension. So what we are going to do over here is we are going to go through from the 0 position of the I up to the length of our string, and after that we are going to go through from the 0 position of the j from the I plus 1 position up to the length of the string plus 1, and after that we are printing the different portions of our string by using the string slicing, that is from I up to the j, and we are storing it into the list 1 and we have them as an output. So as you can see it over here, the first will be the 0 and the j will be 1, so we got an a. After that the j will be 2, so we got an ab. After that abc and to the d, and then the so on. So the index of the b from the I will be 1 and the j will be the 2.